Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure MySQL 8.x is installed and reachable. Once done, log in locally with sudo or the MySQL client and run MySQL secure installation to lock root and remove test databases. You should set a dedicated DB folder and confirm bind address for remote access only if required. Next, create an administrative user and grant limited privileges for day-to-day tasks. Make sure to keep credentials in a secure vault and note connection host, port, and socket before continuing. You now implement the schema and data workflow. Start by creating schemas and tables with clear primary keys and foreign keys, then add indexes where queries require them. Once the DDL is ready, use a migration tool or versioned SQL files to apply changes reproducibly. For bulk data, prefer load data in file or streamed Mysql dump imports. For app-driven writes, use batched prepared statements to reduce round trips. After loading, analyze tables and run optimize, or analyze to refresh the optimizer statistics. You finish by automating backups and monitoring so the database stays reliable. Schedule full dumps or consistent snapshots, keep binary logs for point-in-time recovery, and confirm retention policy matches RTO/RPO. Then enable slow query logging and use performance schema or monitoring tools to catch hotspots. Make sure replication is healthy if used. If something goes wrong, first check my CNF limits like in NoDB buffer pool size and max connections. Adjusting those often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.